Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today we're going to do another Let's Talk video and it's going to be on the brand Carol's Daughter. But before we get into my thoughts on the brand and how it's doing in South Africa, please subscribe and also follow me on social media. Carol's Daughter and I go way back. I started transitioning using Carol's Daughter because back then US YouTubers were all using Carol's Daughter and I really wanted to get my hands on it, so I obviously bought it from the US and I got it shipped to myself when I was in the Middle East. That was about 7 years ago. So I started with Carol's Daughter, and Carol's Daughter was the first brand that I used internationally, and it was also the first co-wash that I ever used, and it was from the white brand, the milk one. I'm going to put a picture of the one that I'm talking about. And I was introduced to co-washing back then because I was a shampoo kind of girl, and I started off using the range that you can see on the screen, and it is available in South Africa at the moment. I think it's the Milk and Almond. I apologize if I'm saying the wrong name at the moment, but I started off using that particular line from Carol's Daughter. I have tried almost every single line from Carol's Daughter. I've tried the vanilla line, I've tried the Manoi line. The Manoi line didn't really meet my expectations, but it was very nice. My favorite line from Carol's Daughter is the Marula line. That one is amazing, gives amazing volume, made my hair so soft. I also tried the Elixir line as well. I saw that Jada Pinkett Smith back then was using it, and then I bought it as well to give it a try. I've also tried the Marabella Plum, I think it's called, and I know in South Africa the lines from Carol's Daughter that I'm talking about are not available. I think we only have like 2 lines from Carol's Daughter in South Africa, but I've tried a whole lot of them. So I'm also giving you a bit of a South African perspective on the brand as well. As I said, my favorite line was the Marula line, and I am disappointed that it isn't available in South Africa. I only transitioned with Carol's Daughter. Once I became 100% natural, I didn't buy the brand. Last year or 2 years ago in South Africa, I did buy the milk line I was talking about. I tried the gel, made my hair quite dry, and I only realized that after using it for more than 3 weeks. Initially it was amazing, but then afterwards it kind of made my hair dry. As I said, that was about 2 years ago. Never bought it again. Am I currently buying Carol's Daughter? No. Do I think it's overpriced? Absolutely. If Carol's Daughter works on your hair and you feel like this is my go-to product, continue buying it, because then it's value for money for you. But from a South African perspective and in a South African market, it's way overpriced. In the natural market, I also saw quite a shift with the brand as well. When I started using it at that time, Solange Knowles was the face of the brand, or she was doing a campaign, but she was very much associated with the brand. And when she left, I kind of noticed a lot of black YouTubers left as well. People started complaining about the formula. People started complaining that it's way too commercialized. Currently, when you're looking at YouTubers, you're not seeing Carol's Daughter. People are really, if not even using it, when you're kind of looking at YouTube videos and what people in the community are using. As I said, if it's your go-to product, then continue using it. If it's working for you, that's absolutely awesome. This is just more or less my take on the brand and how it's doing. When Carol's Daughter came into the country, I think it was about 2 years ago, they did do a bit of an influencer meetup and stuff. I saw on social media, they did kind of embrace the natural community, and I think, and I stand corrected, that was it. I don't really see anything happening with the brand and with people in the community at all. To wrap this video up on my thoughts on Carol's Daughter, am I buying it? No. Will I buy it? No. As I said, it's just way too overpriced in the South African market, and the brands, or not the brands, rather the line from Carol's Daughter that I like is not available in South Africa. And when I did purchase overseas, I would purchase directly from the Carol's Daughter websites, and they do ship. I wasn't using an online store. I was buying directly from Carol's Daughter. That's it, guys. My thoughts on Carol's Daughter in South Africa. Let me know if you like any of their products. Let me know if it's your go-to product, if it's something that you buy. Let me know if you tried it and it didn't work for you. Whatever your thoughts are in the community, drop your comments down below and let me know, and I'll see you again. Take care.